Hello everyone, this is the review of the European trading session November 14, 2011. Today was a Monday, so it's one of the rare situations where we can have a gap, and we got that gap here in the euro dollar early this morning, and we made a series of lower highs, and that run up we see here was caused by some political news that Italy has a new prime minister. So I thought, well, fundamentally nothing changed, and the market will probably sell off in the beginning of the trading session and just sell the news on a Monday morning. So my bias was a bit to the short side. We also were below the opening price. One another thing was the gap here in the equity markets. Here is FDX chart here on the left corner, and we had a gap here to the downside, and I thought we will get that gap filled and then maybe see a run up, but until it's filled we have the chance here to go short the euro dollar, go long US dollar on risk aversion. I waited a bit here, waited pre-market and decided to go short right at the London Open. At that point here we saw I was waiting a bit here for momentum to the downside. If you look in at the 5-minute chart here, right at the open, right at the London Open, I saw the price didn't go higher, so decided to go short. The entry was not the best one, but it still turned out to be okay. I had my stop above the swing high point here, actually also a bit above the opening price at 82. So that was the perfect entry, but we got in a bit earlier. Stop didn't get penetrated here, and we moved then lower and got, I think, 23 pips out of it here. The gap in FTX got filled. That was also the reason why I got out of the trade a bit earlier than I initially had in mind. I was thinking we could get out at the round number, but since the gap got filled and I expected a bounce, which also happened here, I took it out for just 23 pips. Then equity markets moved even lower. We moved below that gap here, so there was no reason that we couldn't go lower anymore, and I took another short in the euro dollar based on the 5-minute chart. Basically at that point here we got a bit of a retrace, and then I took another short. My initial target was actually 36.60, but I took it out for just 20 pips because I saw a bit of resistance here, a bit of support, I should say, around the 90 level. So we just got 20 pips out of it, and that was then the last trade of the European session. And so we got two winners here today.